Good morning, friends. Till date, we have seen that the different pulp deformation processes such as rolling, forging, and rolling, forging, and extrusion. Now today we will see that drawing. Drawing is a process that entails pulling of metal through a mold or die. The drawing metal forming a mostly used manufacturing of wire from the round bars. So it is like extrusion. In extrusion, what we are doing, we are pushing the material through the dry, but here we are pulling, not pushing, we are pulling the material from the die. The wire is pulled from front side where it is emerges from circular die. It is effective method for producing wire based on cross-sectional die required. As per the required cross-section, we have to provide a die or we have to prepare a die, and through this die we are going to pull the material. We are going to pull the material. In extrusion, we are going to push, but here we are going to pull the material. So these are the steps involved. These are the steps involved in the drawing operations. First of all, collect a hot rolled rod, then do pickling, descaling and cleaning operations. Pickling means it is just a chemical operation only. Pickling, descaling again for removing the whatever the scale gets formed due to hot condition that we have to remove. Then sealing and limiting etc. lubricating operations, and after that we are going to perform a drawing operations. We are going to perform a drawing operations. This is the figure that which is I have shown. Now same thing, it is written in the form of language. The first, a hot rolled rod is created by other metal forming processes like forging, extruding, centrifugal casting, etc. Now the rod is made pointed to facilitate the entry into the die. The dust and other scaled particles should clean from the rod. This process is done by acid pickling. Now, acid pickling means we are going to dip the material into the acid so that whatever will be the rust which is going to be over the billet, that gets clean due to that acidic reaction. Now the prepared skin is coated with lubricant. This process uses either sealing and coping, phosphating and liming process. Sealing is a process of coating the ferrous hydroxide in phosphatic magnesium and iron phosphate is coated. Copper and SN are used for lubricant at high strength material. Oil and grease used for wire drawing, and soap is used for dry drawing. Now the rod is pulled through the various dies to convert into the desired shape. The die is affected by several stresses, so it is made by high strength alloy steel like carbide, etc., tungsten, carbide, etc. The dies are made up of tungsten and carbide. See, this is the typical figure for drawing. This is die, this is the workpiece, and we are going to pull it from the front side. Okay, so there are three The drawing process are going to be used for producing. Generally maximum times you going to be produced for wire drawing, tube drawing and hot drawing of the metals. So we will see first the wire drawing. Same thing it is in the block diagram type or it is with tree diagram. Same wire drawing. This is the wire drawing setup is shown in figure that produce different diameter of wire as accomplished by pull of wire through a die, and it is made up from carbide or tungsten. To provide easy entrance, the wire into the die. The end stop is pointed and facilitated to entry. Rotary switching or simple hammering is done at the point so that the entrance will not have any obstructions. So automatically, and after that we are going to pull that with the help of gripper. Gripper means होल्डिंग अँड लाईक चिमटा जसा आपला असतो ना चिमटा, ते चिमट्याने पकडून ओढल्यासारखं जसं आहे तसंच ग्रिपर असतं आणि ते ग्रिपने ओढलं जातं. Grip for attaching into the power driven drill. When the diameter of the wire is reduced by reason of ductile property of the materials through one set of the die. For more reduction of wire diameter, various sets of dies arranged in line. एका मोठ्या रॉडपासून जर छोट्या डायमीटरला एका झटक्यात होणार नाही आहे, तुम्हाला नंबर ऑफ डिफरंट ड्रॉईंग डाईज ठेवावं लागतील आणि तिथं पुलिंग ॲक्शन करावी लागेल. द डाय यूज्ड फॉर वायर ड्रॉईंग अफेक्टेड because high stresses reduced and abrasion. Due to this drawing operation, internal stresses gets developed. For removing these stresses, we have to perform a annealing operations after the drawing operations. Generally, diameter what we are going to use tungsten and carbide. Sometimes cast iron dies also can be also used, but it is going to be used for the small runs. The wire drawing metal improves the mechanical properties of metal in cold working. See, this is going to be your wire drawing process, and for more reductions, we have to pass the metal into series of dies 1, 2, 3 or required. If it is required, we have to pass through the 5, 6 how much small diameter we require or how much reduction we require. As per that you have to create or you have to install the number of dies. Tube drawing. The tubes are basically two types: seamless and which joined along with the length tube. The seamless tubes are made from rolling extrusion also. For tube drawing method, sinking, rod drawing, floating plug drawing, fixed plug drawing. These are the four methods by which we are going to produce a tube drawing. Okay, same thing in as per your tree diagram. These are the figures for tube sinking, fixed plug, floating plug and rod drawing. In tube drawing, tube sinking, it is passed through the shape of drawing and mandrel is put so that we can produce a tube. Sinking, it is simple drawing of tube through a die to reduce inside and outside diameter. The sinking method cannot be used in internal support. In sinking, the wall thickness does not change, but it can be increased or decreased depending upon the die angle. The general triangle for प्रोड्युसिंग ड्रॉइंग ऑपरेशन इज 24 डिग्रीज. त्याच्या 24 डिग्रीच्या हिशोबाने जर तुम्ही वापरलं तुमची क्वालिटी चांगली होणार. जर तुम्ही जसं तुम्ही अँगल चेंज करायला जाताल, हा जो अँगल आहे दिस अँगल इफ वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज देन देअर माइट बी ए कॉजेस फॉर दी डिफेक्ट्स. ते डिफेक्ट्स जनरली असतात ते अवॉइड करण्याच्या हिशोबाने 24 डिग्री हे तुम्हाला हे अँगल ठेवावा लागतो. Fixed plug drawing. The fixed plug or stationary plug drawing is an oldest method for plug drawing of stainless steel. The smooth internal diameter surfaces can be provided in shortly with straight links for slow operations become reductions leave it together. This fixed plug आतमध्ये ठेवलेला आहे. त्याच्यानंतर हे अशा ठेवल्यामुळे काय होईल त्याचं आणि त्याच्यानंतर तुम्ही काय करताय हे ओढताय, ज्याच्यामुळं डायमीटर हे तुमचं कमी व्हायला सुरुवात होते, उडी कमी व्हायला सुरुवात होते. द स्मूथ इंटरनल डायमीटर सरफेस कॅन बी प्रोव्हाइडेड इन शॉर्टली विथ स्ट्रेट लिंक्स. स्लो ऑपरेशन्स बिकम रिडक्शन लिमिट टुगेदर. फ्लोटिंग प्लग ड्रॉइंग in stainless steel tube mostly suitable in floating plug drawing. It is effective method to produce good surface quality tubing in continuous lines more than 1000 feet. The tool is used by this method for critically compare than other. Okay, this is floating. And last one is the moving mandrel. Rod drawing. Sir, एक मिनिट sir. The rod drawing draws the tube over hardened steel rod and mandrel passed through the die with tube. The rod drawing, the die angle is 36 degree and short bearing length. With the short bearing length, it can be reduced further diameter, internal and wall thickness. Applications for drawing is this process is generally used for applications for wire drawing or drawing operations are. This process is used for making wire of copper, aluminum, etc., which are used in electrical industries. Paper clips, helical springs, etc., are wire drawing product. Small diameter rods and tubes are drawing product. It is used to produce large length of small cross sections. This is again a hot drawing process. It is generally similar with the deep drawing process, which is in sheet metal. So it is similar to that. With the help of punch, this for producing any pot, utensil, kitchen utensils. If we press this punch, this drawn product is there, and that drawn product is again passed through a heated cup, हीट करून ठेवलेला आहे आणि परत त्याला ऑपरेट केलं. इट इज गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस ए drawing, but it is this deep drawing or hot drawing is in hot conditions. This is generally comes in sheet metal, not in pearl deformation, but sometimes if thickness is more or something, at that time you have to go for this drawing operations. सिलेंडर किंवा भांडं तयार करायचं असेल तर त्या केसमध्ये हे तुम्हाला वापरलं जातं. As shown in figure or drawing method or shaping of metal, the heated blank is placed on the die and punch force applied in the die through the die opening in the form of cup or shell. When the drawing process, multiple dies are used By this process, kitchen utensils and component of food processing are manufactured. General defects which are going to be observed in this process is wrinkles at flange, wrinkles at wall, tearing, earring and surface scratches. These defects generally we can see in hot drying process. Okay, this is regard this is all with respect to drawing operations. So next lecture we will see that different operations which are coming or pending, what we have not seen in forging or something, but it is in bulk deformation process that we are going to see. That is, rotary switching is there, hedging is there, that we are going to see in the next lecture. Okay, if you are having any doubt, please contact me. My number is with you. Please go through the PPT and as well as video. If anything problem is there, you have to contact me immediately. And again, I am saying that please take the admissions, provisional admission for second year. Okay, thank you very much.